we can't slow him down, this game could get out of hand real quick.
Ragazzi, siamo contro
It's going to be one of the biggest tests of the season for me, that's for sure. Time to step up.
Ragazzi, c'è da dire che ho fatto un colloquio troppo lungo da registrare con il proprietario, che ha detto che ha portato un suo ex giocatore a giocare a Venezia. Cioè, ci rendiamo conto, in una squadretta di Venezia, che sarebbe la Reyer. Cioè, veramente uno stronzo il mio proprietario. Come si permette di offendere la mia città e la Reyer? Cioè, vaffanculo. Adesso devo fare il partitone contro LeBron, speriamo. Vai. Rock and roll.
The Cavaliers are out of Cleveland as they take on their Eastern Conference rival in tonight's contest. Buckle yourselves in, everybody. It's the NBA on 2K Sports. This is Kevin Harlan with Clark Kellogg and Greg Anthony. And for the
Ok, solo Irving dobbiamo marcare.
The Cavaliers will go with a different look here. Anderson Varejau's checked in for Mozgov. Thompson comes in for Kevin Love. Jefferson's checked in for LeBron. And it's Amon Shumpert in for Smith. On the court for Cleveland, Thompson and Varejao at the 4 and 5. Amon Shumpert is out there with Kyrie Irving. And it's Jefferson in at the 3. Kyrie Irving may be the best ball handler in the league. There are a lot of guys with a good handle. He is definitely in the top 5. If not, he's got to be in the conversation.
And arguably the most talented player at his position. I mean, he can get wherever he wants to on the court. He's athletic, an unbelievable finisher as well. I think that's something that oftentimes gets underrated. Maybe the best finisher in the game.
Qua veramente la difesa di Miami ha dormito, grazie.
You always hear about chemistry. That's a perfect example, knowing where each other is at all times.
Well, we've got a moment. Let's check out the best defenses in the NBA. The Cavaliers 5th.
This is a team that takes pride on the defensive side of the floor. I mean, they play hard and they play together. They are a tough group to score on.
Vai, picca in Cume. Irving non è più scarso.
Looking at his point production, he averages almost 8 points a game. Anderson, and it goes as the official calls the foul. Count it. He'll shoot one more at the free throw line. LeBron, he's checked in for Tristan Thompson. And let's quickly check out the scoring breakdown here for the Heat.
Well, they've come out of that locker room with the hot hand. Those jumpers have been falling for them.
And also defensively, they've been able to cause some turnovers tonight. And that also builds confidence and gives you momentum.
The drive by James. Can't connect from 14 feet out.
You know, they don't score on that shot, but they're going to be happy with those kinds of possessions.
Green with the ball. He's picked up by James.
Stoudemire.
Dishes it to Freak. Shot clock at 6. Miami needs to get a shot off. And it's Green missing.
They've been sensational on the backboard to start this game.
Yeah, sensational is a really good word for it, Greg. They're tearing it up on the glass.
That is good.
Great assist that time by Kyrie Irving.
Last outing for Miami, it was a loss to Oklahoma City.
Yeah, they just caught a team, Kevin, that was in a zone, and they didn't have the manpower defensively to disrupt them.
Hey, zone or no zone, I expected a little more fight out of them than what they showed. I mean, they never strung together any stops like they needed to.
Super Weaslove.
Here's Freak. So the whistle blows on the shot and 2 free throws for the contact right there.
Looking at the Cavaliers over the last 10, and how they compare to the rest of the league, this is what we've got. Second in assists, second in three-point field goal percentage. And they're ranked 3rd overall in team offense. This is a team that knows how to put the ball in the basket, and really that's their strong suit.
And let's go back to their assists for a second. When you're sharing the ball like they have, I think it really builds chemistry and trust. This is a group that really plays for each other.
And both free throws good from Freak.
Man, they are just living at the line.
Yeah, doing an outstanding job of attacking offensively and forcing the issue.
From the baseline. And that one's good, Irving.
You know, after starting the game 0 for 3, you know he was just desperately looking for that one to fall. You know, the Cavs last season won a bunch of games, but They had to fight for a lot of them. They often would fall behind early or dig a big hole and have to fight their way out of it.
Non mi dà l'assist, però arrivano 2 punti importanti.
It's like raining buckets right now. I wonder if this is the early stages of a blowout.
Well, we got to be careful. Don't want to get ahead of ourselves just yet.
È un uomo facile da marcare.
But it has been pretty ugly so far, no doubt about that.
Picked by Verejao. Outside Irving.
Offensive rebound. Meno male.
James shot and the rejection by Stoudemire.
Anche James sbaglia.
Shumpert with some nice deep.
Well, he won't miss many of those, especially with the defender not in the best of positions there.
Stoudemire stoppone
illegale. In their comebacks, they actually overcame double-digit deficits for 13 of their 53 wins last year.
Yeah, and Kevin, I remember their biggest one being a comeback after being down 17 points. I mean, but when you have the star power that the Cavs have, no comeback is out of the question. You're just never safe against this team.
Freak passes to Winslow.
Andare a fare un culo il mio amico che è mezzo drogato, cioè mezzo rincoglionito. Vediamo cosa devo fare, non lo so. Se devo scegliere io o no.
Here's the screen. Pulls up on the wing.
Mattone puro.
Anderson.
Grande Anderson, mamma mia.
How about the start that they've gotten off to here? Huge lead, and we're still in the first quarter.
And guys, it hasn't just been the scoring. I mean, they're playing tremendous defense too.
LeBron.
Ciao.
Oh, wow.
Mamma mia. Detto che LeBron è scarso, eh?
Nothing fancy there. Didn't need it.
Nope. His only concern right now, Clark, is getting the points on the board, and I don't mean style points.
Grande Cume, ma cosa?
There's also style just with the fact that he's able to have that kind of a finish, though. Still, I like that pretty one-handed flow.
1-6 Cleveland, 3-1 Miami.
And here's Freak on his experience as a one-and-done college player. Now with more and more
mi sono perso l'intervista di Cume, cazzo.
Amari Stoudemire, he's checked in for Whiteside. Green comes in for Luol Deng. And Freak subbed in for Goran Dragic. Freak, he's in at point guard.
Era un po' impossibile.
Stoudemire out there with Chris Bosh. Then there's Dwayne Wade. And it's Green in at the 3, the small forward.
Bravo,
that's the group in the game for the Heat. The Heat leading by 13. Stoudemire with a screen on Jefferson. Outside, Green.
Buono, Green me la mette. Solo
right on target. Green's got himself on the board with 3 there.
Buono. Maybe he's not one of the elite sharpshooters, but even still, that's not a shot
James
that he can afford to give him.
Good, and the assist goes to James.
Cosa tocca la mette, Dio santo. Impressionante. Impressionante.
And checking out the numbers for Wade, just an incredible month of basketball. He's putting up about 17 points, 7 assists, and 3 rebounds. And he brings that offensive firepower to the team. Scoring just comes naturally.
And, you know, defenses are throwing everything at him, yet he's still able to put up points. He's really unstoppable.
Anderson, he's checked in for the Heat.
Okay, però Green
Winslow comes in for Dwayne Wade. And for Gerald Green, another productive year last season coming off the bench. Though it was a smaller role, a small step back from the season before when he started over half the games for the Suns.
Well, there was a log jam in Phoenix at the wing position last season. He certainly matured, though, as he never complained about not starting, just went out and did his job.
Grande arcing shot.
Mamma mia, cosa ha fatto Green?
Green's got 5 points now this quarter.
He's got to quit while he's ahead, Kev. He worked that last time, but that's an invitation for a turnover.
Abbiamo un overall di 77, di 57.
Green against Jefferson. Now the dish to
Verejao.
Right side Irving. Plenty of space.
E la
that
sbaglia
doesn't
il
go in either for Irving.
Vai Green.
Green with the ball. Guarded now by Irving.
Mamma mia, Green.
That's short off the rim.
You almost have to assume he's going to knock those down.
Come una palla sontuosa. Yes.
And it's Anderson that time on the assist by Freak. Anderson's got 11
Grande
points.
I think that play sort of sums up what we've seen throughout. Just
rubo tanti palloni, però c'è belle stoppate, dai, sono
Smart
completi,
basketball
mi piace.
defensively turning into quick points.
And that can't continue. I mean, if they hope to get back in this game, I mean, it's really deflating from a morale standpoint. They need stopping points, not turnovers.
Stanno giocando un bel basket.
Now here's Freak. On the wing, Green.
Vai Green.
To the wing right side. Stoudemire. They grab
Bravo
their own
Green,
miss.
giocano benissimo
Goes back
Green.
up, and Green with the
Grandissimo
lay-in. Green's got 7 points here in this quarter.
Just a solid performance
Super
on
Green.
the interior. The rebounding has been off the charts.
Yeah, you look across the board, it's actually sizing
Parlo
up,
del Cume che non ho proprio
shaping up to be
capito,
a
dai.
great game. I mean, strong performances throughout, and they've really
Cazzo,
been
B
strong
più
on the
avevo,
glass.
Dio Christian.
J.R. Smith's checked in for Cleveland. Well, what a season for Kyrie Irving last year. Huge moments for him. 57-point outburst against San Antonio. That was a new franchise record for the Cavs.
I think a lot of it was finally being able to play with other all-stars, quite honestly, Kevin. But you can't discount the work Irving put into the off-season to be ready for the regular.
Deve essere sempre Steve Nash. Steve Nash, ma che segna anche tanto.
1:16 left now here in the second.
Cosa ha fatto il Cume? Cosa ha fatto il Cume?
17 points was their biggest margin.
And you know what? He's just not on his game, no doubt about it. Their deficit isn't totally on him, but he has not been an asset for his team.
Winslow wide open. He fires off target from three-point range.
And for Irving, he did come into last year hot. I mean, he won the MVP in international play with Team USA.
Boy, even though he missed, you can't give up that kind of a look very often.
Better to be lucky
Cosa stava combinando il Cume? Grande però.
Fortunately, they didn't get burned.
Grande.
And for Kyrie, taking home the MVP in a Team USA tourney like that, it's a huge ego boost. I mean, of all the stars on that team, he shined the brightest.
Yes.
And I think that's going to help his confidence for this year. And the Miami Heat have finished in the top 2 spots or better. And each of the years the big three were in town. Last season that changed as they would end up 10th in that Eastern Conference.
King.
On the wing, Irving.
No,
Good, and the assist goes to James. 11 points for Kyrie Irving.
And now he's taken a solid opening in the quarter and built on it here in the second.
Just 2 seconds between shot clock and game clock. To the inside.
Mamma mia, cosa ha fatto il Cume?
Well, he's an undersized center, but he more than makes up for it with some serious leaping ability.
Here's LeBron. 26 points for him last game against the Pelicans in New Orleans.
And he was also a big factor for them defensively. I think he tallied 4 blocks in the game. I love the anticipation defensively there to get into the perfect spot.
Mamma mia. Finito un primo tempo devastante, ragazzi. Abbiamo fatto una merda di più. Vai. Secondo tempo, terzo, quarto. Siamo bene in vantaggio, molto bene.
Winslow comes in for Luol Deng. Gerald Green, he's checked in for Dwayne Wade. And Freak subbed in for Goran Dragic. And the Cavaliers will go with a different look here. Anderson Varejau's checked in for Mozgov. Tristan Thompson comes in for Kevin Love. Shumpert is checked in for Smith. And Mo Williams subbed in for Irving. And so in the game for the Cavaliers, filling out the wings at Shumpert and LeBron, Thompson and Varejau at the 4 and 5. And it's Williams at the 1 spot.
Vai Bosch.
Bosch sets the pick for
Grande
Freak.
Bosch.
Pass to Bosch. Williams with the steal.
Che palla ho perso, ma Dio. Dio, quando entra freddo.
Now here's Shumpert. He's guarded closely. He kicks to LeBron.
King James. King.
9 feet out. Green with the rebound.
And that'll increase their rebound. They've definitely been winning that battle on the boards.
You know what? No rebounds, no rings, and they've controlled the boards, and that's what's given them control of this game.
From deep three-point range, can't hit. And Cleveland will come the other way. They defeated the Pelicans in their last game.
And boy, did that game nearly get away from them, but they were a little bit fortunate to have survived at the end of regulation.
Yeah, they got that second chance by virtue of forcing the overtime, and then things really swung in their favor after that.
Dai, Winslow, dai,
Winslow kicks to Freak. He dishes it to Winslow.
Guarda che blocco.
Got a piece of it.
Ecco, palla persa proprio a cazzo.
Oh, and here comes Williams all alone. And he gets the bucket.
Wow, the floor just really opened up for him on that possession.
Yeah, I mean, I'm all for good offense, but that was just a terrible reaction from the defense.
Bosch, a screen on Williams. Out to the wing.
Non può cambiare azione perché sennò Cleveland capisce il mio gioco.
Stoudemire in the post. Verajao on it. And it's blocked.
And
the foul called on Freak. That's foul number 10. And Miami also making a switch. Freak's checked in for Goran Dragic. And then for Cleveland, Kevin Love's checked in for Verajao. Smith comes in for James. And Kyrie Irving subbed in for Williams. Freak, he's in at the point. Stoudemire out there with Winslow. Then there's Chris Anderson, and it's Green in at the 2. That's the group in the game for the Heat. Stoudemire, the screen. Freak dishes to Stoudemire.
Oh, yes,
and drops in the layup off the glass. And the Heat lead by 15.
The fans are just loving what's going on here tonight. A really good win for the home team.
It sure is. I mean, they kept this crowd in the game, gave them plenty to cheer about, and really used that home court advantage to their advantage.
They pull the whistle just as he gets it off. That's 2 points with a chance for another one at the stripe.
Una grandissima vittoria questa contro Cleveland.
9 seconds left in the game. Anderson, a screen on Williams.
E si va a vincere.
And so Miami takes this one by a big
Bravi
margin.
Fiori.
Some good moments throughout this one, but they had the clear advantage down the stretch.
Good execution really played a big part.
Grandissimo veneziano. 9-6 Cleveland 100. Eccolo qua. Bello come il sole.
Thanks, Kev.
The 2K Sports post-game show.
Meno in campo chi sempre quel porco di Dragic.
Thank you, Kevin, and now we get a chance to present our Jordan, Dwayne Wade. He didn't seem to need much time to warm up tonight. He made his first 4 shots in a row. Let's get your opinion,
Grande Wade.
His accuracy from the field was pretty eye-catching.
And that'll do it for this edition of the NBA on 2K Sports. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Ciao ragazzi. Signori, la storia del Cume sta brillando. Prosegue. Buono, dai, 2 vittorie e una sconfitta finora. Non male. Peccato. Sì, che insomma la prima stagione mi piaceva giocarla tutta, anche la prima. Non capisco perché sta scelta anche l'altro anno così. Una scelta che condivido fino a un certo punto.
Money. Now you've certainly made some money so far, Freak, but it's time we make more money. I'm talking movies, TVs, endorsements, even your own brand Jordan sneakers.
I care about the game first, Dom. All that sounds great, but don't you think it's a little too early to be talking about all that?
Bravo.
LeBron was 12 years old in 6th grade when he was thinking Space Jam. It's never too early to take and make leaps.
I guess.
You guess? This isn't high school. This isn't college. This is the real world. And the real world is fueled by one thing.
Oh, money.
That's right. Money. Dollar bills, y'all.
Ecco, il mio procuratore mi sta sul cazzo.
Because that's what presides over us. I ever tell you guys about the first dollar I ever made?
No, Dom, but you're about to.
Yo, check this out. CC, this is a great story, right? So I'm 7 years old, Queens, New York, 1973. My older brother, Lonzo, he's got a lemonade stand. So that summer, I'm like, Lonzo, you know, let me help out. Let me make a couple of bucks with you. He's like, all right, Dom, come on. I'll teach you the business. So I'm pouring tons of sugar. I'm squeezing the lemons. I got the lemonade stand all set up. I'm like, yo, I got this, right? So I'm watching during the course of the day. I'm noticing something Lonzo's doing.
Don Pagnotti.
He's not charging for refills. That summer, I convinced Lonzo no more free refills, and we make $2,000 plus tips. Today, Lonzo's Lemonade is a national brand and publicly traded.
Oh, wow. That's dope.
Bravo, Pagnotti.
I'm here to improve and to assist. I'm like the Italian-American Magic Johnson, running point for Team Freak. No.
The only person running point around
Mia sorella è proprio uguale a me comunque.
Sì. Look at my watch. What do you see?
Not this again. I've seen the movie.
This is diamonds and platinum. Gold, forget about it. Silver, forget about it. This is diamonds and platinum. It's power and speed. Freak, this is what you have. You are on your way to being the biggest thing in the NBA. I'm proposing now that we dominate off the court as well as on.
I can't believe I'm saying this, Freak, but Dom has a point. You've been establishing yourself on the court, and now it's time to take it off the court. Brand Jordan sneakers, I mean... the
Scarpe Jordan.
Listen, Freak, you're going to have to decide the legacy you want to leave. But I'm not some agent from the Yellow Pages. I'm Dom Pagnotti. I'm the man, the myth, the legend, the king, #1. I'm the best.
Bravo, Pagnotti.
I'm a shark, and the Pagnotti shark is working for you. And we got to set new goals and bigger goals, okay? I'm talking all-star game. I'm talking dunk contest. When was the last time you saw an NBA great in a dunk contest, huh? I'm talking first team All-NBA, first team All-Defensive team.
What about social media?
Yvette, great idea. Social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let's kick it up a notch. www.freakingandvibing.com. That's right, your own website. I've already set it up for you, and it's running great.
Wait, hold up.
Listen, I'm in negotiations right now on a feature that will allow viewers to watch Freak and only him and his plays during the game.
Yeah, but you set up a website without consulting me?
Yeah.
When did this happen?
Last week.
Uh-oh. Oh, this is gonna be epic.
CC, I love you, but I got no time to waste. And you're out there busy doing whatever it is you're doing.
Whatever I'm doing? You know what? I'm really sick and tired of the disrespect. This is Team Freak, not the Dom Pagnotti Italian-American opera.
Cece, calm down, all right? Dom here, he's just trying to take us to the next level.
Look, Ming Ching, I don't even know why you're here when your job is to look good and shut up.
Cece, chill.
No, I'm done chilling. Between your clown agent and your gold-digging girlfriend, I've had enough.
Gold digger? You're the winner of the Lucky Sperm contest, and I'll have you know I am currently starting my own fashion line. I've already got model contracts from Beijing to Milan. Not to mention I graduated top of my class.
Thank you, Lottie.
I don't need a man to save me or provide for me, okay? I got my own, boo.
Okay, well, if that's the case, then why has all your success and fame coincided with your relationship with my brother? I mean, if you're really on top of your game, wouldn't that have happened before y'all even met?
Right? You know what, Cece? You're just jealous. It's okay, though. Why don't you just play the background, yeah? Enjoy the ride.
Devo mantenere sto cesso di merda.
Continue? Now listen, as far as movie properties go, I've already got a script based upon a story of your life, Freak, okay? So guys, check out these possible titles. Freaking and Vibing, Life and Times, Volume 1.
Le cronache di Freak.
The Fast and Furious Part 1 does it, and this one's my favorite, Freak. You're gonna love this. He got Pagnotti.
Whoa, okay.
You love it, right?
Dom. Yeah, but look, you're the man, but you're not the man. Okay, you work for me. You have to follow my lead. I'm all for your ideas,
Bravo,
but in
Cume,
due
tira fuori i
time.
coglioni.
As for now, I want to focus on the court, and we'll discuss some of your ideas at a later date. Understood?
Yeah, we're cool in the gang, bro. That's all you had to say.
All right, good. Thank you. Vet, chill. You cannot let Cece get underneath your skin. But on the same token, you cannot go out of your way to piss her off. I don't have time to be playing peacekeeper between you two.
You know what? We need to talk about this afterwards alone.
Fine. Cece, you need to hold this together. You and I both agreed long ago that Dom was the best agent for me. He has delivered. Are his methods questionable? Is he a shark? Yes and yes. But he is our shark. He's what's best for me, which means he is what's best for all of us. Your job is to bring us balance. Manage the team, sis.
Sì, non sta a rompere il cazzo in parole povere.
You're right. But blood is thicker than water.
You know, I ain't trying to hear all that. I'm not here to hold hands. I'm here to win games and achieve greatness on and off the court. But in order for that to happen, I need everybody to be on point. Essentially, get right or get gone. Yeah, I don't have time to be teaching you guys how to work together. It either starts now or I find it elsewhere. Squashed?
Squashed.
Zucchini.
Cioè, il mio procuratore è il più coglione della storia.
Mr. Dom Pagnotti. Mr. Diamond and Platinum himself.
Sì, scusate ragazzi, non ce la faccio più a vedere sta stronza. Buono raga, un saluto dal CumendaVeneziano, la stagione mi piace, la carriera anche molto bella, sì, diciamo che come avete detto voi volete vedere le scene così, a me piacciono fino a un certo punto, nel senso sono belle ma certe sono veramente troppo lunghe, però mi piace, sì, mi piace. Sicuramente, però per come vedo io i giochi sportivi, la seconda stagione la preferisco sicuramente di più, dove c'è più azione e meno ciaccoli, anche perché mia morosa farà cagare, mia sorella è molto uguale a me, Don Pagnotti è un po' culattone, cioè, vediamo tutte queste cose, rompe un po' le balle. Raga, un saluto dal CumendaVeneziano, ciao!